Today we will learn to change background of a video using AI tool in Filmora. Even though Filmora can change background of any video, but it works best for videos with plain background. So let's begin. So we are on the home page of Filmora, and here we have imported two video clips. First one is of a woman for which we want to change the background. Here we have a plain wall and we want to change the background of this video footage to this one, the beach. So how will we do this? Let's get to it. The very first step we have to do is to drag and drop the video of the woman here onto the timeline. Then we will drag and drop the video of the beach on a layer beneath our first layer. Now we have to make them both equal in size, so we will cut the extra part of our first footage. We'll split that and we'll delete the extra part. Now as you can see right now, we have a plain background and we want to change it to the beach. So we'll click on this video footage of the woman. We'll go to the AI matting tools here. When we click on it, we will get three options: green screen, AI portrait and smart cutout. We'll click on AI portrait. The moment you click on it, your background will be changed automatically. You can preview it, and if you are not satisfied with the results, I think this is pretty good, but if you still want to improve the accuracy of your cutout and improve the accuracy of this background change process, you can do that by increasing the edge feather to some extent and then clicking on OK, and it will give you super fine results like this. So I hope you like this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel.